Hey guys, welcome back to Frosty Pine Labs. I just want to give a quick update video. So the other day I put up an unboxing video of the Chiappa little badger, this little guy here now. The engravings are from me playing with my diode laser, but outside of that in the video I said that the gun didn't have a safety, or I didn't feel a safety in the unboxing. Now I've read the manual as I instructed everybody to do, and you'll find that as you unlock the mechanism and relock it, it actually auto-engages the safety. And you can see it's out about a 1/4 inch there. And it is in safe mode, it won't fire. Now if you pull it back all the way, now you're cocked. I don't recommend dry firing because it's a rim fire, but I do have a snap cap in there, so you can see now the trigger moves. And as soon as you break it open again, you see the safety's automatically engaged, and again there. So it does have a safety, it's automatically engaging, and I just wanted to give an update on that, so thank you.